Hi, I'm Stacy, and in this video, I'm going to walk through two great savory compound butter recipes that I hope you'll enjoy. We've got a standard honey butter and a lemon marmalade dill. Let's get started. Okay. We're going to go ahead and take a tablespoon of honey to a half a cup of butter. And you just mix this butter around to get the honey incorporated. Of course, you want to make sure that this is all at room temperature. So we can look at that, beautiful. Beautiful, the honey is all incorporating in here. It is looking great. We'll just put it down and we'll mush this piece in too. This is great to go on top of, like a sweet potato or on some beautiful toast or a bagel. That all mixed together. And there we have it. Some beautiful honey butter. For the lemon dill butter, we're going to add a tablespoon of lemon marmalade to a half a cup of butter. Then add a tablespoon of dill. And then just mix this up. And there you have it, lemon marmalade dill butter. This goes great on top of salmon. Thanks for watching, and please, if you like the video, click like and subscribe to the channel so you know as new recipes are added twice a week.